Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today the reg came for the Chaser, so I'm now in Belfast at Mike Wiley's, you can see there, and I'm here to get the plates done and then I can stick them on the car and actually get out, which is good because today, as you can see, it's actually dry, so it's a really good day to get out, and hopefully it doesn't rain, but we'll see. But I'm going to get the plates now. So I've now got the plates, got them printed, and now I just need to stick them on the car. Back here you can't really see, but there are two screw points here, but I think I'm just going to use these sticky pads to stick it on, just be easier. And then on the front it's just these two brackets, so I'm going to need to screw holes into the plates to make it fit on, or else it won't fit. But I'm going to do that, get the plates on, and then that should be the car roadworthy because I've already got the insurance sorted. So just get these plates on to the car and we're ready to rock and roll. So as you saw there, I got the plates onto the car now, and I'm just about ready to go for our first drive. It is dark outside, but that's not to worry. Got the plates on the car, let's go.